Ladies and gentlemen, as part of Fantastic 1000, Fever 104 FM, 94.3 Radio 1, and on behalf of all of you joining us from Bangalore, from all cities in India, we have people joining in from Melbourne, from the UK, all across the globe. Here they are. I'd like to introduce you to the fabulous four of the Royal Challengers Bangalore. We have George Garton. A big round of applause for George. We, of course, have hat-trick Harshal Patel. Kudos to you. Well done. We, of course, have the magician with his leg spinners and overall such a fun guy. Yuzi Bhai, Yuzi Chahel is here. And we have Navdeep Saini as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Harshal Bhai, I want to ask you quickly about your hat trick that everyone's speaking about. Like, did you watch the 3 wickets that you took or uska video again and again and again? How many times have you seen it?
I saw it like 3 or 4 times, and every time I saw it, I had a big smile on my face because it's very seldom that a plan like this comes off. So yeah, that was very special.
Yeah. That was beautiful. And I must say the tables turned and how the entire team just came together was simply brilliant. It's something that all of us enjoyed so very much. So Harshal and all the boys from RCB, I'd now like to introduce a couple of hand-picked winners that we've all chosen. So all of us here, RJs, I'm Sriram. We have Prithvi. He's known as Bangalore Ka Bond. We have Non-Stop Nikki. We, of course, have RJK as well from 94.3 Radio 1. We've been screaming out about our favorite team, none other than Royal Challengers Bangalore from the last so many days. We, of course, have the biggest sports fan as well. Sugumar, Sports Sugumar is also here. And we have the RCB 12th man, Navneet, as you all know, part of the family. I'd now like to introduce you to, he's known as Coach Fat Boy. His name is Suhail. He has a question for you.
So guys, my questions to Navdeep Saini. Navdeep, I've heard a lot about your chiseled midsection, your abs. I just want to know what is the secret to it, and do you maintain a diet to maintain this through the year, or you indulge into whatever food you want and you still have the abs genetically? Do you work hard for it is the question.
तो इसमें कह सकते हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा जेनेटिक भी कह सकते हैं और थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क कह सकते हैं, बट ये है कि डेली इस चीज को मेंटेन करके रखना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
तो ऐसा रहता है कि अपनी डाइट का सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है इसमें.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि ऐसा ही है कि आप जब बबल में रहते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप वर्कआउट रहने दीजिए, आज मत करिए, तो उस टाइम पे आपको थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करके रखना पड़ता है कि चीट मिल ऐसे ज्यादा ना हो. तो जैसे
अच्छा, तो जब सीजन में रहते हो आप चीट करते हो?
नहीं, सीजन के टाइम पे नहीं.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. ये पूछना था उस आपसे.
Let's go to Sharanya, please. Sharanya, what's your question?
Hi, so I'm Sharanya, and my question is to George Garton. And my question is that if you would get a chance to change a rule in the game of cricket, what would that be?
So I don't know if you watched the 100, but when you take a wicket with a catch, the batters don't swap because it gives a bit more benefit back to the bowler. So that's what I would change.
All right, I'll now hand it over to K.
Yes. Awesome. Hey guys, it's great to see all 4 of you. Thank you so much for doing this. The fans are so excited. I'm going to hand it over to our first fan who wants to ask you a question, and that is Khushi.
Oh my God, I think I might faint. Okay. So hi Harshal, congratulations to you. And you're the founder of Coffee Mafia, right? So I wanted to find out how often do you all drink coffee in the RCB camp, or do you have a coffee brewing in the camp as well?
I have a coffee machine. I have an espresso machine in my room. So one of the first thing I do when I wake up is I make an espresso and listen to music, sit with it. And I'm 30 now, so I need to stop taking caffeine at 1, otherwise I won't be able to sleep. And that has changed in the last couple of years. So yeah, until 1 o'clock I'll have probably a couple of espressos and then lay it off for the entire day.
Harshal, where do we get the best coffee in India?
Chikmagalur, Coorg.
Good pick. Good pick. Sugu's losing it. Awesome. I'm going to hand this over to Nikki next. Nikki, over to you. Go ahead.
Awesome. क्या बात है, बहुत amazing excitement बढ़ चुकी है और आप सबको देखे, all of you four are super fantastic and I think before we begin, चहल, आपके reels और dance moves के हम दीवाने हो चुके हैं. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क यू, आपने सबको डांस मूव सिखा दिए एंड कैन वी एक्चुअली, आप सब बैठे हो, कोई डांस मूव बैठे बैठे हो जाए? इतने सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, चहल डांस मूव, कोई भी एक हैंड मूवमेंट, एक बल्ले बल्ले हो जाए प्लीज.
आफ्टर मैरिज वो वाली बात है कि छोड़ाए वो गलियां.
अरे वाह, ओके देन. तो बट लेकिन ये है, एक डांस मूव अगर होगा, हम चारों के लिए एक बल्ले बल्ले मूव अगर हो जाए, अगर आप करो, वी फॉलो यू, ऑल फोर ऑफ अस, एवरीबॉडी इन दिस हाउस. ये क्या बात है, क्या बात है. All right, so I have Shashank जो अपने क्वेश्चन के साथ ready है. Shashank, are you there? Can we have the spotlight on you and let's hear your question.
Hey guys, my name is Shashank and my question is to Navdeep Saini. So we all know that Saini is very quick in his bowling and he has a record of 152.85. So Saini, do you ever consciously try to beat that record? Do you want to make it to the 160 mark?
नहीं भाई साहब, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो इस टाइम में तो यही है कि जो भी आपकी स्पेशलिटी है, जो भी आप कर सकते हैं, जो भी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, उसी को मेंटेन करके रखें. तो वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है इस टाइम पे. तो वो भी ये है कि आप जैसे जैसे खेलते जाते हैं तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता जाता है आपको, तो उसी के हिसाब से आप इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं.
Prithvi, over to you, man.
Thank you. Hello to all the four. Thank you for joining us. Okay, I picked a couple of winners on my show, my morning show. Satyen, if you're there, let's pin Satyen, please. Satyen, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi, seeing all the four of you is wonderful. RCB, the way to go. Question is to Harshal Patel. Last year, you played for Delhi and this year back at RCB. What did you plan for your return to this franchisee?
Well, I was given a role of being a death bowler as soon as I was traded, and I just wanted to do justice to whatever faith they had put in me. And my plan was to bowl as many Yorkers as I can in death overs and pick up as many wickets as I can, because that's the best way to make an impact in a T20 game, is to pick up wickets. So yeah.
I picked another winner, and I think he's one of the youngest fans, at least here in Fantastic 1000. Sahil, are you there? Ask your question, Sahil.
Hello. My question is to Harshal. What is your favorite Gujarati food?
That's a good question. Like, whenever I go home, my favorite, the first thing that I eat is khichdi and bhakri, because that is something that I don't get to eat anywhere else in the world. So as soon as I get home, the first meal I eat is more often than not khichdi and bhakri.
Okay. So you prefer more Gujarati food or Bangalore's food?
Trick question.
Bangalore food in the morning, dosas and idlis and all that, and in the evening, Gujarati.
Awesome. I'm a really huge fan. Thank you so much for this. My question is to Yuzvendra Chahal. Which show on Netflix or YouTube are you currently watching or are hooked up to?
Right now, I'm watching Money Heist. So I didn't watch. So I'm into that only right now.
Hello guys, my name is Nihal. My question is to Yuzvendra Chahal. Sir, which one do you prefer, sir? COD or PUBG?
BGMI.
Thank you, sir.
George, how do you feel about the whole experience of being with RCB for your first ever T20 tournament here? How's that experience been? And will we hopefully, fingers crossed, be seeing a lot of you more?
Yeah, it's been brilliant. I've loved every minute so far. Obviously, slightly different circumstances as I would have liked to have been in India. But yeah, it's my first experience. It's been awesome. And yeah, as you said, hopefully see you many times more.
Who's your favorite?
What's your first impression of Yuzi?
sat here, so I'll keep that one quiet. No, he's a great lad, very funny. You always need one joker in the team, so he's great to be around.
Hi George, my name's Srijan. Firstly, congratulations on winning the 100 for the first time for Southern Brave. My question is, I've seen you bat for Southern Brave too, and for your county team Sussex. Given that you can actually bat well, would you prefer to bat in the opening position, or would you like to bowl up front?
I prefer bowling up front. Gives you more chance to get wickets, and then back lower down and try and smack some sixes at the end. So that's what I would prefer.
There is a question for Chahal which says, Chahal, have you taught George any bit of Hindi?
No, not yet.
Chahal or Harshal, if you were to teach George one Hindi word that is required to survive in the RCB camp, what would that word be? Would you guys teach him some slang, or would you teach him some decent enough Hindi word?
It's a public forum, so we would want to keep away from what we're going to teach him. But yeah, it's the first thing that you learn in any language is a curse word. So
yeah. You know what, Ram? Like last time, I actually was telling this one word which is very easy. So George, the one that you love the most in Hindi, we call Meri Jaan. So if you wanted to say that Meri Jaan, it's one thing which is for all your your fans. So you can call them as Meri Jaan. So George, would you like to just say that Meri Jaan?
Meri Jaan?
Reva.
John, I have plenty of people who is requesting you to also learn a bit of Kannada as well for the love of it. Prithvi, would you want to teach George one line or a word in Kannada?
Considering you're in the RCB team, a lot of Kannadigas love the RCB team. So George, just to get by, if you were to ask someone, how are you? You can say, Hegiddira.
Yeah.
That is difficult. Or else you can teach him Namaskara Bengaluru. It's
Namaskara.
Bengaluru. Namaskara Bengaluru.
Very good. On behalf of all RCB fans around the world, a big congratulations for Harshal Patel for getting a hat-trick wicket, bro.
Guys, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being part of Fantastic 1000 RCB, the meet and greet with our players from the RCB camp. To conclude it all, Sukumar sir, if we were to have a chant, all of us are here. This is one of the biggest meet and greet that's happening where all the RCB fans unite. We'd all collectively like to wish you guys the very best for the upcoming tournament. We have full faith in you that you'll make it to the qualifiers. And of course, this time you will bring us the cup. So full faith in you guys. Keep doing the good job that you do. Sukumar sir, a big chant for all of us to follow.
RCB! 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 Isala Cup Namde!